Hi, Shana the Yardie Girl here. Welcome to the Yardie Kitchen. And tonight actually, I'll be just showing you just a quick my style barbecue chicken. So I have my chicken. I already cleaned it up and washed it out, and wash it up with vinegar and all of those things. So I'm just gonna season it up, just a quick season up. I already I'll be using some of my this is not the jerk sauce that I'm using. It's just I had the bottle, so I just blend up some of my seasoning and stuff like that and put in the bottle to keep it there. So that's what I'll be using. I have some black pepper here and some of my all-purpose seasoning, and I have two flavors of barbecue sauce that I will be using, which is the Kraft brand that I'll be using. So yes, let's get right into it. So since I already washed up and cleaned up and everything like that of my meat, my chicken, I just got some hip and leg, so that's all I'll be using. So I'm just gonna pour the type of season that I want on it. Okay, so people, so I have the chicken. What I'll be having is some black pepper. I'll be adding on to the chicken first. Then after that, I'll just add some of my Maggi all-purpose season up. I like to put a little extra on there to make sure so it's well seasoned properly. Then after adding my Maggi seasoning, I will then add my homemade jerk sauce that I blended up my seasoning to. I'll also add that, and then I'll also just rub it in from that there on. Just make sure so I get all of them, all the pieces, rub it in good as I can. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Make sure so you rub it in. Right. Just, make sure you rub it in. Basically. After that, now. Looking good, eh? Yeah, man, look good, look good. It's looking very good. So I'm just making sure that I get all of them, all the pieces rubbed with the seasoning. So I already started frying my pieces. I already started frying them, so I just put a pot on with some oil and just frying to make sure that they're a little bit fried on each side before I start baking them. So I'm just turning them and make sure I don't want them to like fully fry out. I just want to get a little color on each side. So that's why I do. Okay guys, so this is how it looks after browning them on both sides. So I browned them on both sides. I'll be using my two flavored barbecue sauce that I'll be mixing up. So the hickory barbecue sauce and the regular barbecue sauce with my homemade jerk seasoning and my Maggi season up and some sugar. I'll be mixing into this bowl. I'll mix it all together, and then I'll pour it on top of my jerk, on top of my chicken. Hey guys, so I'm sorry, I'm already ahead. I did put my phone on record, and for some reason it wasn't recording. Either I didn't press the record button hard enough, but it was not recording. So basically what I did was after frying the chicken on both sides for a little bit, I mixed up my sauce with my my barbecue sauce. And both of my barbecue sauce and my my homemade seasoning, blended seasoning, and I also add some of my Maggi seasoning and mix up, and some sugar as well. I also had add some sugar, and then I mix up everything together into this bowl. I did everything thinking that it was recording, but it wasn't. And then I just basically coated all of the chicken. So after coating all of the chicken, what I'm gonna do now is just put a file paper on it and just stick it in the oven. Okay, so it's all done. So I have my chicken here, my barbecue chicken, my homemade barbecue chicken that I have right here. It's all done, and that's a meal that's my hobby. That's way too much for me. So I already plated is, and with some rice and green peas that I have there. It looks delicious, and trust me, it tastes delicious too. Right, because I did, I'll take off a little piece there. Yeah, so yeah, this is my barbecue chicken. So thank you for watching. This is Shana the Yardie Girl. This is the Yardie Kitchen.